The first wash is where it all begins. Done right, it can change the future of your hair. A moisturizing or healing lotion, often a panthenol-based foam, is gently applied to soften the scabs and soothe the scalp. The lotion is left on the scalp for about 20 to 30 minutes to loosen the crusts and make the washing process gentle. Using lukewarm water and avoiding strong pressure, the lotion is carefully rinsed off. A mild, pH-balanced shampoo is lathered in the hands and gently dabbed onto the scalp without rubbing or scratching. The shampoo is then rinsed with water poured slowly to avoid disturbing the grafts.
Now he's gonna apply the shampoo. It's for your whole scalp, but you should apply it separately for the transplanted part and for the donor part, because you're gonna touch gently to the transplanted area, and you should do it from back to front, gently, around 10 or 15 seconds, and then you can wash it. You'll apply the same shampoo for your donor part with pressure and with circular movements, and then it's gonna be around 10 seconds. You can wash it and then it's done.
Finally, the scalp is dried by softly patting it with a towel, and the clinic provides detailed instructions on how to continue washing at home for the next 10 to 14 days.